Hello scholars, welcome back. I'm so glad you are here. Today I'm going to show you how to access your argumentative essay assignment on Writable. I will need for you to take the time and log in with Pasadena ISD email credentials, or else you will not going to be able to access your assignment through Writable. Once you make sure that you have logged in with Pasadena ISD credentials, go ahead and open ClassLink where you have all your apps. And we'll be using HMH, the Ed platform. If you remember, that's the one that we use to read a cup of tea. It's the one with the gray box and the smiley face inside of it. Go ahead and click on it. The page is going to load for you. And keep in mind that my page looks different from yours because I'm a teacher and you have a student account. So once the page loads, you have several options up here in this bar. One of your options is going to be the Assignments tab. So click on the Assignments tab and it's going to populate with all the assignments for you. You're not going to see your writing assignment here. What you need to do is right under that Assignments tab on the right side, you're going to see this blue box that says Unit Module Writing Tasks. This box is where you need to click. So you will click right there and it will open the writable page for you. This is what you're going to see. This is your assignment, argument essay, single section. Now you're going to go ahead and click on it. And for you, this window should pop open. Now here, this is where you're going to select the topic that you will be working with for your argumentative essay. Make sure that you read through them carefully and that you choose only one of them. Once you have chosen the topic that you want to write about, you can go ahead and click on it, select it, and you are ready to begin. Make sure that you do include a good thesis, an arguable thesis statement. That means you are choosing one side. Also, for your benefit, you will have right here on the side kind of a little aid to help you with your writing, so you can check it off down this list. Did you provide targeted background information on your topic? Did you have a clear, concise, debatable claim? All of that is going to help you have the best possible paper ever. Okay, I hope this was very helpful. Again, I look forward to reading all your essays.